Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Shankar. In this video, I will explain about how can I install the ts-node package on Windows 10 or 11 by using npm Node Package Manager. So, for this video, prerequisites are Node.js must be installed directly or by using nvm Node Version Manager. So, let's get started. So, why we are installing this? We need to know. So, previous video, so we run the TypeScript file by using two commands, right? By using two commands like so ts typescript compiler sample.ts. What will happen? It will generate the JS file by using node. We are running that JS file. What will happen? It will return the response. Response. We got the response, right? But by using by using this ts node, I will run direct TypeScript file without converting. So for this first we need to install the ts node package, right? This I will explain. So open the cmd, open the cmd. So first let's write some node points. ts hyphen node package installation by using npm node package manager, right? npm. So post point. So install command. Install command. We need to use npm install. npm install. So hyphen g means global ts hyphen node. Next one we need to verify, right? To verify verify installed version. To verify installed version for that ts hyphen node hyphen v. So post command npm install hyphen g ts hyphen node. So post check which node is installed, node hyphen v. So while installing the Node.js, it will comes Node and npm. Node is there at npm also. We are installed. While installing the, it is very important. While installing the Node.js, it will comes with Node and npm. See, so we are installed Node.js. It will comes with one is the it will be installed node and it will be installed npm. See, it will be node, it will be installed. These two parts, node.js means these two parts, right? So now install npm, npm install hyphen g globally ts hyphen node, ts hyphen node, enter. Let's wait some time. This installation will begin. This package will be installed in this particular Node.js version. See, started. Added 20 packages in 49 seconds. 20 packages added. Right? So let's check TS hyphen node hyphen V. See version 10.9.2. So in this video, we are successfully understand how can I install the TS Node package on Windows 10 or 11 by using npm. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.